Ever wondered why your garden isn't as lush and vibrant as you'd like it to be? Common garden problems can happen to anyone, seasoned green thumb or not. The key to overcoming these issues? Understanding them. Let's dive into some common problems and their solutions. One of the most common issues gardeners face is pest infestation. Invaders like aphids, slugs, and beetles can wreak havoc. But fear not. Organic pest control methods or introducing pest-eating insects are effective solutions. Remember, a little pest control can go a long way. Another prevalent problem is diseases and fungi, which can wreak havoc on your plants. Be vigilant for signs like discolored or wilting leaves. Combat these issues with solutions such as fungicides and ensuring proper air circulation. Healthy plants are happy plants, so keep an eye out for these signs. Watering might seem simple, but it's actually a common source of gardening woes. Underwatering and overwatering can both harm your plants. A soil moisture meter can help, as can watering at the right time of day. Remember, water is life, but too much or too little can spell trouble for your garden. There you have it, some of the most common garden problems and how to solve them. Remember, vigilance and immediate action are key to a thriving garden. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!